Go to Product, Playlists. Click Create. Fill out the required metadata. Once done, click on Add Asset. Select the tracks from your asset list. Or click the Add from Content Bank button to add just audio files directly from your content bank. Click Save. Playlists can be shared either via email or by creating a page. To send a playlist via email directly from the platform, click Send. You can send to a selection of your contacts via a bulk email by selecting a list created in the list area in Contacts. Once you've added your message, click Send Email. To share your playlist via a page, click plus Create Page. Set the permissions and modules once you've been taken to your new page. You can customize your page by clicking on PAGE Colour Customisation tab. To send a link to your page, click Send and follow the same procedure as sending out an email. Your music, your data, your rights. rightsHUB.